We're now going to head to the Weather Center and check in with Josh. Josh, I know you said light jackets for the morning, but what's the clothing forecast looking like for this afternoon? Are we going to be in shorts and t-shirts again?
Yeah, I'm saying shorts, t-shirts, flip-flops, lots of sunscreen. I know that's not like the wardrobe, but if you're going to be wearing that kind of stuff outside, you might as well just throw in some sunscreen anyway. All right, current conditions in Grants Pass this morning. You're taking a live look at courtesy of the Tap Rock Northwest Grow. We're in the low 60s this morning. A little bit warmer in Medford where we're up to 63, but cooler to the east of the Cascades with 40s and 50s. Mixture of 50s and 60s for the Shasta Valley. Mid-50s along the coast in Curry County, specifically in Brookings, where we are tracking some reductions in visibility this morning due to some marine layer fog. So just something to keep in mind if you're commuting on US 101. Here's your hiking planner for today for the Rogue Valley. And I'd probably personally get the hike in before lunchtime just because it will be getting hotter after that. Air quality is not going to be too big of a concern today within the Rogue Valley. I'm just going to put it that way. We should just have some pretty light haze. In fact, light haze for most of us, but highs will be a little problematic. Problematic's a heavy word. They'll be a little bit hotter compared to yesterday, as we'll be in the middle 80s, middle to upper 80s to the east of the Cascades, which does put us maybe just a few degrees above average, but pretty adjacent to average. We'll be in the middle 90s for our west side valleys, and then pretty close to 70 degrees along the coast in Curry County. And winds today will gust mainly out of the north and west, although we could see some variation from microclimate to microclimate, but mainly out of the west between 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then for tonight, the sun goes down, the winds will calm down. We'll have clear skies inland, could still have some mostly cloudy skies along the coast due to some marine layer influences. But other than that, a nice night with temperatures that might be even a little bit more mild compared to what we're seeing for this morning, with temperatures near 45 to 50 degrees to the east of the Cascades, low to middle 60s for our west side valleys, and then middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. And we're poised to get much hotter over the next 7 days. We'll be pretty average through Friday, but then Saturday, Sunday, Monday looking very hot. Look at that, 104 for Monday, which would put us about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. And to add insult to injury, some of that heat could fuel some rather potent thunderstorms for Sunday and Monday. When we talk about the potency of these storms, we're more so talking about some of the lightning that could result from some of these thunderstorms, which is why we're going with critical fire weather impacts from Friday through Monday, not only for the heat, which will dry out our fuels, but also for some of the lightning potential. So a very dangerous fire weather forecast that's shaping up for Friday through Monday. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see actually the haze clearing out of here in a Wednesday with the cold front passing. So winds will pick up out of the west, and that'll just thin out a lot of the haze and the smoke. For Siskiyou County, very light haze over the next couple of days. And then we're tracking a Sunday and a Monday for some very hot temperatures, maybe even a few thunderstorms. And the same thing for the Klamath Basin. Obviously, we're going to be a little bit less hot compared to Siskiyou County, but still hot for this time of the year, and that could easily fuel some thunderstorms. We'll track the same thing for the mountains as well. And then for the Rogue Valley, looks like we keep it dry up until Monday with that chance for thunderstorms. But the big story before then will be the heat.